And welcome back. Would you like to sell your home without making repairs or doing any painting or upgrading? Well, Dave Pickerington and his partner, RJ Pepino, they are here with Sell House Columbus, and they're going to tell you about how they can help you do just that. Guys, good to see you.
Thank you, Sean.
Thanks for being here. If people have not heard yet of Sell House Columbus, RJ, what should they know about you?
So we're a local home buying company that really focuses on finding solutions for sellers here in Columbus, Ohio. So we can help them by, doing fast closings, or we can provide them with solutions that if they need to stay in their house for a little bit longer as they get all their, belongings out of the house. We're a very flexible company, but really what we focus on is providing solutions for that homeowner.
And that means cash.
Sometimes it's cash,
Yeah.
sometimes it's taking over payments. It really depends on what their situation is, and that's what we focus on.
So interesting. Why don't you tell us, Dave, a recent story that you want to share?
Recent story is really, a lot of them are kind of the same. People contact us, they want to sell quickly. Not everybody wants somebody, marching through their house. Not everybody wants to do repairs on their house. They just
Sure.
want to sell fast for cash. And the people you're about to see came to the closing table. They have a beautiful house in a beautiful area, but again, they just want something convenient, just cash out. They called us, we closed very quickly.
And in fact, we went to that
Perfect.
closing, right? It was at PM Title Company. And who were these two people? Let's see. I think we have from them, we're going to talk to Marvin Hostin Jr., correct? And Linda Garnes. I think they have something to share about the whole process.
Yeah, I was a Columbus firefighter for 35 years. Anytime you do anything in the community like that that can better the community, this is a great company and they're doing that. Everything that they said that they would do, they did, and they expedited everything. So I was really, really pleased with everything that they did.
With Sell House Columbus, it was a great experience. David and his crew came in, inspected the property. It was a quick in, quick out process. They were also referred to me from a neighbor. And the limited time, within less than 30, well, just about 30 days, and everything tied up. I didn't have to deal with anything but get ready, get gone. So if you're looking to downsize and hurry up and get out of a situation, I would recommend them.
Oh, that's great. And I know you especially enjoyed working with them as first responders.
Absolutely.
That's great. Now, if people are out there right now and they are looking for a way out or maybe another solution, you guys can make this happen quickly, correct?
Very quickly, contact us online, sellhousecolumbus.com, or pick up the phone, give us a call, 614-300-5151, and we're here for you. Whatever the situation, whatever the condition your property's in, contact us today. We buy houses fast for cash.
All right, RJ, Dave, thank you both. Appreciate it very much. So reach out to them. Sell House Columbus, get paid cash, and then go. Call them again. Hassle-free offer, 614-300-5151.